welcome back to Not Sawdust workshop, part 10 of the van conversion. I just insulated the roof with this Armorflex, and I want to make the separation wall between the driver's seat and the camper van part. But first I will make all the wood for the ceiling, because my lovely wife Miriam has to paint all these slats before. Now I've got this reclaimed pine. It's only like 8mm thick, 9mm thick, and they're all damaged because, you know, it's tongue and groove and all the tongues are broken. But we want to have like slabs up there with like 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters space in between. So that's why everything is black underneath there. So I've got to cut all these long boards, and then I can give them to Miriam. She can sand them and paint them, and I can start working on the dividing wall between the driver's seat and the back of the van. So let's make sawdust. Well, that almost fits in one go. Little corner at the top, and then our dividing wall between the driver's seat and the van interior. And the hole in there is there because the battery is going to be there, so I need a panel there. And this will be 5 centimeters thick, so I've got enough room in between, because there's going to be a panel on top for all the wiring and things. But now I'm going to go back to sanding the roof parts, so doing 2 jobs at the same time. So, the ceiling is in. Is it completely to my standards? I don't know. Yeah, I've got a bit of a bigger gap exactly in the middle, but because it's only one exactly in the middle, I'm going to leave it like that. I've got the framework of the roof light in. Had to make a little strip around because it didn't fit all that right. And I forgot something. I forgot to paint that side of the wood black. So, but I'm going to take a little brush and just see if I can make that black. So it's exactly right on this side, just not on that side. So I don't know how I could forget that. Now I'm missing some screws, so there are a few holes where there need to go screws in. I bought 100 or something, but I thought that would be enough, but it isn't. These are little self-tapping screws which already have like a ring made to them, some kind of a profile, which looks nice because they keep visible. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I worked on my wall, on my technical wall, but yeah, the ceiling had to be done, so it's nice that this is now another project that's done. I'm figuring out how to put all the stuff in here. This is going to be a double wall, so there's going to be, so everything will be in the wall. So solar's coming in to a fuse box, and then to an MPPT charger, which goes to another fuse, then to the battery that's going to be underneath here. I have to make a battery box for that. And then here is going to be like the 4G Wi-Fi, which the cables come from here. The MPPT controller, so you can read what's happening. And then a fuse panel here with switches and the fuse box where everything goes to. And then there's one 220 volt cable going to my tool charger, but and that's only going to be on a little can size inverter, which is only like 100 watts, but I only need like 40 watts for that charger. So that's the only thing that's going to be on 220 volts. The rest is all 12 volts, even though laptops can charge on the 12 volts. So yeah, but that's something for another video, figuring this all out and see how I get all this wiring in, and then put it as a whole inside here. And yeah, we made a little decision that this is not going to be all the way up. There's going to stay a gap here. It's a compromise that me and my other half came to, because she said, I don't want it completely closed off, I want to have some air coming from that side to this side. So now I actually ordered a little ventilator, well, two of them, that would fit here, so we can still, and these are swivelable, so we could actually get the air out of here or get the air in here. So yeah, we'll see how that will work out. So for now, that's it. It's getting a bit cooler here in Portugal. It's a bit easier to work on the van, but that's only until 11 or 12 o'clock, and then in the afternoon it's going to be 36, 37 degrees again. So yeah, I don't even bother to come to the van anymore in the afternoon. So for now, that's all. See you in the next video at the logo.